Genre swap. This one's great for establishing a multitude of characters and using a lot of different emotions. See, what you do is you get a suggestion from the audience, get them in a location, maybe a relationship, and then you start a scene as you would. Establish the who, what, and where, and then when you've established those things, another improviser or an audience member shouts freeze and then throws out a genre. The scene begins again in whatever genre that is, whether it's horror, comedy, melodrama, and the characters keep the same scene going while adopting all the mannerisms and emotions that would be in that genre. Have fun with this one. I wish you wouldn't chew so loud. Beats my stomach growling. It's even louder. It would have been nice if you brought a sandwich from me. Comedy. No way. You get gas that scares everything within a 50-mile radius. My farts smell like roses compared to your cologne. You're the one who got it for me for Valentine's Day. Film noir. That must have been your mistress. I got you a power drill. You mean the one Junior used? To drill a hole in his sister's Barbie doll? Alright, it wasn't Junior. It was me all along. I was jealous of the way you looked at that doll. You know it's only physical, sweetheart. She doesn't hold my heart like you do. Science fiction. That Barbie doll, I'm pretty sure it's a synthesoid. From another planet. There's more of them, I know it. Stop them. Before they ruin marriages all over the world. I'm with you, honey. Whatever it takes. Together.